Hey guys, it's Pax from Vancouver Dent Pro. Hey, I just want to show you this repair I did this week, and it's a little bit different. It's from a Mercedes G Wagon. So this is a vehicle that has a spare wheel that's mounted on the back. So spare wheel, tire, and there's like a painted cover that goes over top of it. So this one got hit. I don't know if it got backed into or hit something. But it had PPF on it, so it got hit really hard, so a really deep dent, and the edge was affected a bit. But the PPF saved the paint, so that's a huge bonus because we can go ahead and do paintless dent repair and save a repaint on it and keep that original factory paint. So first of all, doing these repairs on these covers are difficult because once you take it off, you got to solve the problem of mounting it. First of all, it's a really awkward shape, and I've done it before where you strap it down, but it gets really, if you push hard at all on it, it's really wobbly and starts flexing. It's really hard to be accurate. So what I did was I got some tips from actually some friends to just flip it over and hit it with a hammer and tap down gently with a light on the back. And that worked really well actually. I used a 16-ounce dead blow hammer to do it, so that gives you an idea how strong that dent was. It was because it was so deep and because of the two body lines on the edge and all that. But I got it moving with doing that. I actually tried glue pulling first with the Cam Auto 3D tabs, and it held on, and I had like the bridge feet on the edge on various places, but the edge kept on wanting to blow out because it was so like locked up. So there was lots of tapping down. So what I did was there was a lot of tapping down from the back, softening up the crowns and just slowly, evenly bringing it up, well, as even as I could. It got a little bit messy. I did have to wet sand it at the end. So we lost some texture, but the shape's good, the paint's good, and I think it's a good repair. One thing that really saved me was I just got the B&D fender pliers, and they really help do the finishing fill-in pushes, I guess the pushes. They work pretty good. Like the feet are pretty out of the way until you get to a really low finishing angle. So they're almost perfect, but they're really good because I don't know if I could have done this without them. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video, and please like it or heart it or share it. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. It's a really good tool. It actually goes all the way up, right up to the body line there.